Good morning grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. Hope you all are doing great today. I had given a few questions from exercise 10.2 as a homework in the previous class. So I hope you have already done those questions. Today we will discuss from question number 5 of exercise 10.2. So question number 5 says find x in each of the following proportions. So 4 statement of proportions are given there. As an example, I'll show you the first question here. So the first statement of proportion 3:6 is proportional to 15:x. So from this statement, you have to find the value of x. So given this, let's write the corresponding fractions. 3:6 can be written as 3/6 and 15:x can be written as 15/x. So from this statement of proportion, we can write 3/6 is equal to 15/x. Now we can easily find out x from this. So first, let's cross multiply. I'm going to cross multiply this x. So here it becomes x by 6 is equal to 50/3. Now let's take this 6 also to the right hand side. So cross multiplying this, we get x is equal to 15 into 6/3. And when you simplify this, you get the value of x as 30. So x is equal to 30. So similarly, we have to find out the value of x in each of the statement of proportions given here, and you may note down your answers in your notebook. Now let's discuss the sixth question. It says, are the following statements true? So here you are given a few statements of proportion. You have to go through each of the statement and find out whether the statement given is true or false. As an example, let's see the first one. Rupees 40 is to rupees 22 equal to 100 meter is to 55 meter. So to check out if these ratios are equal or if these ratios are in proportion, let's first write the corresponding fractions. So 40:22 can be written as 40/22, which when simplified will give us 20/11. Now 100:55 can be written as 100/55, which when simplified will give you 20/11. Now look at the two fractions, 20/11 and 20/11 here. Both are equal. So the ratio 40:22, that is rupees 40:22 is equal to or is in proportion with 100 meter is to 55 meter. So the statement given here is true. So you can write the statement is true. Now check out the rest of the statements given here and state whether the statement is true or false. Now let's discuss question number 7. It says, determine whether the following ratios form a proportion or not. If they form a proportion, write the middle terms and the extreme terms. So we know that in a statement of proportion, the terms at the extreme ends, that is the first and the fourth terms are called the extreme terms. And the second and the third terms are called the middle terms, that is the terms that come in the middle of the statement of proportion. Here we are given 4 statements. We have to check the ratios in each statement are in proportion or not. And if they are in proportion, we have to write the extreme terms and middle terms as well. So as an example, let's see the first one. 20 men is to 14 men and the next ratio is 50 centimeter is to 35 centimeter. Now let's check if these ratios are in proportion. Now the first ratio 20 men is to 14 men can be written as 20/14, which when simplified will give us 10/7. Now the second ratio 50 centimeter is to 35 centimeter can be written as 50/35. Now when simplified it will give us 10/7. You see 20/14 equal to 50/35 is equal to 10/7. See, both ratios have the same value and hence the two ratios are equal or they are in proportion. That is 20 men is to 14 men is proportional to 50 centimeter is to 35 centimeter. So since they are proportional, we can write the extreme terms and middle terms. The extreme terms are the first term and the fourth term, which are 20 and 35, and the middle terms are the second and third terms, which are 14 and 50. So I hope this is clear to you. Follow the same procedure and complete the question. Now, we have to complete all the questions from exercise 10.2. Take a picture of your answers and post them through Microsoft Teams. You also have to work out the question given under the life skills section. This is given right after the exercise 10.2. So make sure you complete the exercise as well as the life skills question. So that's all for today, children. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.